Welcome back, loggers. Same place, different day, different part. I'm going to pick up where we left off the other day. This is the rollover bit. I've got it loaded, I got my coolant on. I'm going to reach up and hit cycle start. I ran out of memory space the other day, so we downloaded a few things to leave some area on the memory card, and we'll show you the rest of the operation. Right now we're taking a rollover bit, and we're rolling the edges over. We'll make a couple 3 passes, I believe, is what I've got programmed in.
Using 1/4" end mill. This one's 3/8 in diameter, but it's real skinny at the tip where it's cutting. So I'm running at max RPM again, like I said. Machine tops out at 4,000. With it flickering around, I don't want it to ever hit 4,000 or it'll shut down. So
I go ahead and I set it about as high as I feel comfortable with. We're running 10 inches a minute, which is a fairly good feed rate. We could push it a little harder on the tooling. Once in a while you'll eat up a part. We're pretty safe at this speed and feed, so here we are, the second lap around, taking a little heavier cut. Come away from the corners a little bit, mainly because I hadn't learned how to program an arc yet. You're gonna see what I do to compensate. I found out it's actually easy. Made some inquiries and read the book a little bit more, and what I'm going to end up doing on this program is, it's called circular interpolation. I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut a circle to finish those 4 corners where I stepped away. Since I did the programming, I've learned that I can run an arc. I always knew I could run an arc, I just didn't know how to do it. And later on the next setup, when we're putting in the holes on the side, I'm going to slot a hole for you, and you'll see how we program in an arc instead of a full circle. It's a waste of a move, but it was the first thing I found in my book to conquer what I needed to do at that moment, and since then I've learned the proper way of doing it. It'll be coming up here very shortly. So the rollover bit's gonna compensate for that little corner. Step, and then it's going to go back in. It's going to cut a little step there, and as soon as this pass is done, it's going to go to all 4 corners, and it's going to circular interpolate a circle clean up that one little area. Now it's doing the one closest to us. Now we're going to wrap it to the other end of the part. See, it might not have been the easiest way to do it, but we've accomplished what we wanted. See, the corners there are finished now. We had stepped away from them. Alright, we're going to show you the slots next. Hold tight, we'll be right back.